Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and today we are out in a lovely park area called Alnarp here in southern Sweden, and this is a big kind of university garden with different areas, different types of plants and trees. And at the moment we are in an area with plants that are perennials and ground covers and absolutely beautiful things, and I want to take you around to show you a few of these beautiful plants. Some are in bloom, some are not, but let's just have fun. This is an Away with Wesley video, so let's go and see some beautiful plants. So the first corner we're in here, you can see these absolutely beautiful. This is a Rhodgesia pinnata, it says here. They have these lovely tall flower heads and they're kind of spiky. They're really beautiful and a lovely contrast to this very spiky kind of leaf as well. And it's turning already into this kind of autumn color, because it's the end of August at the moment, going into September. And behind we have another one here, Rhodgesia sambucifolia. And then, oh, look at this plant with these beautiful big leaves. I haven't got the name on it, but look at the lovely big cups on it that catch the water in the center. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and then look at this one with these pink flowers. And here we have a tricetis. This is Tricetis toigen. Lovely flowers, and if you come in closer you can see these wonderful pastel purple flowers with white. They're absolutely gorgeous. Now this plant I can see here has been plagued with some kind of bug on the leaves, but I don't know, I kind of like the texture it's giving to the plant. It's absolutely wonderful. So if we should go on, here we have a lovely ground cover here, and it's kind of mint like. Doesn't smell like mint. This is a Nepeta subsessilis, and it gets these lovely purple flowers on. What a beautiful ground cover to have some area in the garden. So here we have a beautiful white anemone X hybrida. And wow, look at these wonderful flowers. Lots of them, a lovely tall plant. And in the background, we have another kind with a pinkish color. Absolutely gorgeous. And down here, we have a lovely Lysimachia clethroides with lovely white flowers all over it. And then look at this miscanthus grass at the back. Absolutely gorgeous with the red coloration on it. Lovely. So if we should go on further this way, you can see some beautiful kinds of bamboos here and grasses. Well, is this a grass or is it bamboos? It's a grass. I think this is a grass. This is a miscanthus. Look at this. So look down here at this little bundle of joy down here. Look at all these lovely orange hanging pods here. It looks like someone's just put these on as a Halloween plant. It's absolutely beautiful. This is called Physalis alcakengi variety franchetii. And it's absolutely beautiful. I love that. So I can see that spreads out a little bit. And if we go on here, we have some more different kinds of grasses here. Carex morowii, lovely variegated grass. This plant here is a helianthus. So I can't do it. Forget it. Next. Now look at the lovely yellow colouring of these plants here. If we should zoom in a little bit, you can get to see the two different types. These ones have a smaller centre and bigger petals, and then the ones on this side have a larger centrepiece and smaller petals. They're absolutely gorgeous. This one is called Helianthus decapitalis capen octar. Absolutely beautiful. And this one, I don't know if I have the name. Yes, the name is down here. Helianthus X latiflorus, Miss Mellish. So, if you're interested in any of these, look them up. Look at the beautiful coloration on them. Lovely. So, let's carry on. So down here we have Aster macrophyllus twilight, and this is a more common plant in the gardens. It's a perennial that comes up every year. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at this lovely pastel purple colour. And then next to it we have this lovely orange plant, and that's called Helenium autumnale gruppen, Mardi Gras. Very nice. Look at these. This is Helenanthus decapitalis. And look at these flowers close up. They're absolutely gorgeous. Full of petals. Lovely. Let's go. So we're going to go over. So, you feel me? So we're going to go over to a corner with plants that I absolutely love. I love hostas, and this area has lovely hostas. Let's go and have a look. So this is Hosta Plantaginia honeybells, and look at the beautiful flowers that come up on this. They're kind of pastely purple, like many hostas have, but look at the cascade of the leaves, and now they're turning a kind of yellow colour, limey yellow colour, because they've been out in the sun quite a lot, obviously. And then we have another one of these beautiful anemone Sir Henry Smith. They're lovely plants. They come up every year and they look gorgeous. And then down here we have another Hosta Sieboldi snowflakes. And these ones have beautiful white flowers on them only. If you come in closer, you can see these beautiful white flowers. And the bees obviously love it because there's a bee buzzing around just there. Absolutely gorgeous. And then there's a gigantic type of hosta over here we just have to have a look at. This is Hosta Sieboldiana, and it is huge. And look at me. And it is huge. Look at the size of this leaf compared to my hand. Now that is my hand spread out. So if you should come in close, you will get this whole giant leaf. Have you seen hostas with leaves like this before? I can put both my hands on and it's still massive. I can put my face on it and do the face test and it's still bigger than my head. This is a beautiful, beautiful big bundle, and it's obviously had some beautiful flowers on it because there are a lot of seed pods on it. Hosta Sieboldiana. And then there's a variegated variety on the other side I want to have a look at. And down here we have some beautiful Virginia cordifolia. They also get lovely flowers on, and look at the lovely red colour they get on them as they change into the different seasons. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's go and have a look at the other hosta. But first of all, we have one here that's absolutely beautiful. Look at this buzz of purple flowers. And these are more purple than the normal pastel colour you get on many of the hostas. This is Hosta Harry Van Trier. Smaller leaves, compact, beautiful hosta. And then here we have some more variegated varieties. The one I want to show you is over here. This hosta is called Hosta. So this one I want to show you here is called Hosta crispula. Look at the lovely white variegation going on around these leaves as they cascade over in a big bundle. I've started planting more hostas in the area called Joachim's Corner at our Crystal Cottage because that's where we have a shady area, and these plants absolutely love it there, and I just love the different forms and colorations that you can find. Let's go over here because they actually have a plant that I was out and I bought in a garden centre on sale yesterday. I was so happy. That's coming up in another video, but I want to show you them full bloom and a bigger size. Let's go over here. This is Vistoria officinalis, super bum. Super bum, did you hear me? Well, look at the look at the tag. It says super bum. That is the name. So this is the plant I was out and bought because I've seen how it grows and it can get much taller than this. It spreads out a lot and you get these absolutely beautiful hive of flowers all over. The bees, the insects absolutely love this plant. This one here is called Vistoria amplexicaulis speciosa. And well, look at the lovely leaves. I love the shape of the leaves. I love the shape of the flowers. These inflorescences that come up with these flowers are just gorgeous. And then you can get varieties that are shorter and smaller down here as well. This one is Vistoria affinis, which grows lower to the ground and much tighter and small leaves. Just a beautiful variety as well. So if we should go over here. Here we have a plant called Chelona obliqua. This is lovely as well, all these purple flowers all over. Look how it spreads. These kind of plants It shows, am I in it full? My whole head. Är mitt huvud i? Mm. These kind of plants, it shows that it's much more beneficial to have a huge area of them, because you really get to appreciate the color of the flowers, the shape of the leaves, and if you mix them with other plants and they have a larger area, at least a meter, so you get to appreciate what's going on instead of just a little clump. Look how amazing this looks. So I really hope you enjoyed seeing this absolutely wonderful garden here with all these beautiful plants around. The sun is shining. It's been a beautiful day. I thank my husband Joachim for filming me today out here. It's been absolutely wonderful. So all I have to say now is thank you very much once again for watching Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded. And I will see you again very, very soon. Goodbye.